Brilliant Maths. This is our 16th lesson on fractions, and we'll be learning how to find the whole number. But before we start today's lesson, let's see the answers to the last exercise on dividing fractions. Question 1. 4/9 divided by 6/15 is equal to 1/9. Question 2. 9 divided by 5/6 is equal to 10/4. Question 3. 3/5 divided by 6 is equal to 1/10. Question 4. 1/3 divided by 2/9 is equal to 3/4. Question 5. 2/5 divided by 3/1/3 will give you 18/25. Well done. Today we'll be learning how to find the whole number. Example 1. If 1/3 of a number is 8, what is the whole number? We've been told that 1/3 of a number, one part out of 3, is equal to 8. So how do you find the whole number, the number we started with? Solution. Let's draw a diagram to illustrate this. This is the whole, and it's been divided into 3 parts. 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. Because we know that 3/3 make a whole. From the question, 1/3 is equal to 8. So we can conveniently write 8 in the box over there. This will signify 1/3. So for the second box, we can also write 8. And for the third one, we can also write 8. From this illustration, we know that the whole number is 8 plus 8 plus 8, or 8 times 3, which is equal to 24. That is using a diagram to solve that problem. But assuming you don't draw, the whole number is divided into 3, therefore it is 3 out of 3. If one part out of 3, which is 1/3, is equal to 8, that means that 2 parts out of 3 will be 8 times 2. And that also means that 3 parts out of 3, which is the whole number, will be 8 times 3. And 8 times 3 is 24. You can easily check that also. If you find 1/3 of 24, 1/3 of 24, we are checking 3 in 24 is equal to 8. So our answer for the whole number, which is 24, is correct. Example 2. If 2/7 of a number is 10, what is the whole number? If 2/7 of a number is 10, what is the whole number? Let's use a diagram again to illustrate. This is the whole, and it's been divided into 7 parts. So each part is 1/7. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 sevenths, which makes a whole. And we have been told that 2 parts out of this 7 is equal to 10. So 2 parts, it's 10. We want to know what the whole number is. So if 2 parts is equal to 10, that means that 1 part will be 10 divided by 2. Because it's 2 parts that is equal to 10. Therefore, 1 part is equal to 5. So if we have that 1 part is equal to 5, how do we find the whole number? We'll multiply 5 by 7 because there are 7 parts. So 7 parts, which is the whole number, is equal to 5 times 7, which is 35. If we show that on our diagram, 2 parts is 10, so 1 part is 5. So that means that this is 5, and this is also 5. So these are the two parts that is equal to 10. And then the rest, each part is 5. So let's see. 5, 5, 5, 5, and 5. So let's find out what the total is, which is the whole number. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 5, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So the whole number is 35. That tells us that our answer is correct. Example 3. 3/5 of David's money is $45. How much money has David all together? We need to find the total money that David has if 3/5 of his money is equal to $45. How do we do that? 3/5 of his money is equal to $45. That means that 3 parts out of 5 is equal to 45. So what is 1 part? We divide 45 by 3. 3 parts out of 5 is equal to $45. Therefore, 1 part out of 5 will be 45 divided by 3. $45 divided by 3. 3 in 4 is 1. Remember 1. And 3 in 15 is 5. We know that 3 times 15 is 45. That means that 1 part out of 5 is $15. So how much did he have altogether? It will be $15 times 5. Therefore, total money, or total amount, will be equal to $15 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25, carry 2. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2, and that will give us 75. So that means that David has $75. We can quickly check that by finding 3/5 of 75 to see if we will get 45. Check. 3/5 of 75. 5 there, 1. 5 and 7 is 1. Remainder 2. 5 in 25 is 5. So if we have 3 times 15, 3, 5, 15, carry 1, 3, 1, 3, plus 1 is 4. And that is equal to $45. So that tells us that our answer, which is $75, is correct. We want to solve the same example using another method, maybe a shorter one this time. The same question, example 3. 3/5 of David's money is $45. How much money has David altogether? So for the second method, if 3/5 of David's money is $45, then the total amount David has is equal to $45 times the reciprocal of 3/5, which is 5/3. It becomes $45 times 5 divided by 3. It relates directly to the first example because in the first one we divided 45 by 3 to get 1 part out of 3. And we multiply that 1 part by 5 to get a total. So it's basically the same. It's just that this time you are reciprocating and multiplying directly by the amount that David has, that we know. We're given $45 as 3/5 of the amount he has. So if we divide 45 by 3 and multiply by 5, we'll also get $75. So whatever method you use, whether you decide to find one part before you find the total, or you reciprocate the fraction by dividing by that fraction, you get the same answer. So altogether, David has $75. Having learned how to find the whole number, try out this exercise. Question 1. If 2/3 of a number is 12, what is the number? Question 2. Find the whole number when 9/10 of it is 90. Question 3. If 5/6 of a number is 35, what is the whole number? Question 4. 5/8 of the pages in a book equals 95 pages. How many pages are in the book altogether? Take your time to work out this exercise. Try them out. You'll find them very easy. My name is Ngozi Orevaoghene. Thank you for watching this channel. Continue to watch and don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. I'm very sure you like what we're doing here. Follow me also on the blog brilliantmaths.com. Log in there. There are lots of exercises for you. And always remember, the maths is fun and you can do it.